Hi there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Jeanette with Jeanette's Reviews, and I'm here with another Gwynnie bee. Hope the lighting's okay in here. It's kind of a gloomy day here in Missouri. Cold front's moving in, so we're finally gonna have fall. But I've got my new Gwynnie bee, and it's an online rental service where you go on to their virtual closet and closet items that you would like to try. After you have 6 items in your closet, they'll send you 2. And you can wear them as long as you want. You can wear them once, send them back. They'll ship you out new items as they get notification that you've sent the old ones back. You don't have to do any cleaning. They do the dry cleaning for you. And you can closet up to as many items as you want, and you'll get points for those items that you closet. And also, you could almost wear at least 10 different outfits in 1 month. And for a 1 month subscription of 2 items at a time, it is $70. So I'm gonna get in here and show you. They send you your mailer to return the dresses or items that you've closeted. Mine in this case are dresses. You package it nicely in a little Gwynnie bee. Once they ship you the items out, you can see what's coming. So you'll know what's on its way. And this first item here is a dress that I closeted. I just love the colors in there. It's kind of more of a spring dress perhaps, but just so pretty, colorful, very flirty. This one is by, I can get to the tag here. This one is by Eliza J. And it's a fully lined, kind of that chiffon-y polyester material, so it's very flowy, but it is fully lined, so you don't have to worry about being see-through when you're in the sunlight. And then the other dress that I closeted was kind of a really whimsical print. This one is a 3/4 length sleeve, very jersey, silky, stretchy material. It's a heavy weight because it is fully lined. And this is the same brand. And it's just a really cute, whimsical print. It's navy. It might be picking up black on the camera, but it is a deep navy with, you know, just a really fun, whimsical print. It reminds me of some artists that used to be, they had a lot of stuff at Hallmark. If anybody can remember what that is or know what I'm talking about, post in the comments down below. So we're gonna try these on and see how they work. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And to all the people that have subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Leave comments down below what you think of these dresses, and I will list in the description box what they are, what they ran if you were to buy them. So it is a rental service, but if you fall in love with something, you can go ahead and purchase it and just keep it home at a really discounted price compared to what you would pay for it new. And I'll also post a link to where you can try Gwynnie bee for a whole month free. And if you decide to stick with it, then you'll get $10 off your first paid month. So, I mean, you can closet up to $1,000 worth of clothes in 1 month, wear them for a month, see what you think of the service. You know, if you don't like it, discontinue. If you do, sign up and get $10 off your first month. So I'll try these on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first dress, the Eliza J. This is the pink floral flirty dress. It's super cute. Fits in a good length for me, just right at the knee, just a little bit below the knee, I guess. But it's just very flowy, really comfortable. It's a cute dress. If you could see the print up close. So I will try on the second dress and I'll be right back. This one does feel just a little, when you're a little tight here in the shoulder, but it's very loose in the bust area, so you don't have a problem with it feeling too tight there. Just a little bit in the arms, but nothing that would bother me for a day. And just like that, I'm back again with the second dress, and this one is also an Eliza J. And this one is more form-fitting. Comes to just right above the knee. It is fully lined, and it's a heavy jerseyer material, but it's real stretchy and super comfortable. I like the 3/4 length sleeve, and I just love the print. I love the whimsical look of this dress, so I will definitely be wearing this. And Stay tuned to my channel. I do have a stitch fix that came yesterday, so I'll be unboxing that sometime this week. And I have a Nadine West that's on its way for next week. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe below, hit the bell, and you'll get notification when I post another video. And I appreciate any comments down below of what you think of the dresses. And you all have a great day. Thanks.